My name is Cillian Walker. I'm studying mechanical and manufacturing engineering. So what drew me was the 2 years in college and 2 years out in industry. That was a big plus, and it's very hard to get that experience after a degree, so to incorporate that within the course, it makes life a lot easier for gaining experience. We're the first college in the country to use VR and AR, virtual headsets. We're just using VR to build logical thinking skills and problem solving skills, and I've never used that before. It's all new to me, so I'm learning with it every day. That's another attractive thing about the course. The lectures are very kind of hands-on as well, and they give good time and good resources and good hours if you're falling behind in something, which is something that helps, I chose mechanical and manufacturing engineering in MTU. I wanted to get a degree, and the big attractive thing about it was the 2 years in placement, so that's the reason, yeah.